Hello guys, welcome back to Autocir Channel. The legend has returned. After years of rumors, sketches, and leaked prototypes, the 2026 Honda NSR 500 V3 has finally been unveiled, bringing back the iconic two-stroke spirit that defined an entire era of motorcycle racing. This launch feels less like a product release and more like a resurrection of a myth. Honda didn't just reintroduce a classic, they rebuilt it for a new generation of riders hungry for raw power, mechanical purity, and emotional connection. From the moment the covers came off, everyone knew this bike would be something extraordinary. What instantly grabs attention is the design. Sharp, aggressive, and unmistakably NSR. Honda kept the DNA of the original 500 cubic centimeters monsters but infused it with futuristic aerodynamics, carbon fiber elements, and a narrow race-bred silhouette. Every angle looks engineered to slice through the air. The triple-stack LED headlights and winglets give it a MotoGP-inspired presence, while the exposed frame hints at its mechanical soul. This blend of nostalgia and modern innovation is exactly what fans have been waiting for. But the real magic is, of course, the engine. Honda developed a new V3 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke power unit, engineered to meet modern emission standards without losing the brutal punch that made the NSR legendary. Early testing reveals a spine-tingling power curve, explosive mid-range torque, rapid throttle response, and that unmistakable two-stroke scream that riders haven't heard in decades. Honda claims a power output of around 135 horsepower, which is wild considering the bike's ultra-lightweight chassis. To keep that power controllable, Honda equipped the NSR 500 V3 with electronics normally reserved for top-tier racing machines. Traction control, launch control, wheelie management, and an adjustable riding mode system help riders tame this two-stroke beast. But unlike modern four-strokes, the character is still raw and engaging. You feel every pulse of the engine, every vibration, every note from the redesigned exhaust. It's not a bike just to ride, it's one to experience. The handling is another highlight. With an aluminum twin-spar frame, Öhlins suspension, and Brembo racing brakes, the NSR 500 V3 is built for razor-sharp precision. Test riders report an almost telepathic front-end feel, making corner entry effortless and incredibly addictive. The lightweight body allows the bike to change direction with minimal input, giving riders that classic two-stroke agility but in a far more stable and technologically advanced package. Inside the cockpit, Honda combines analog emotion with digital intelligence. A small retro-style tachometer pays tribute to the original NSR models, while a full-color TFT screen provides all the modern telemetry a rider needs. Riding feels like sitting between two timelines, the glorious past of 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke racing and the cutting-edge engineering of 2026. It's a rare motorcycle that appeals to collectors, thrill-seekers, and everyday enthusiasts alike. Now for the question everyone has been waiting for, the price. Honda has announced that the 2026 NSR 500 V3 will be offered in limited numbers with an estimated starting price of $32,000. For a machine that revives a racing legacy and delivers a one-of-a-kind riding experience, many believe it's worth every dollar. One thing is certain, the 2026 Honda NSR 500 V3 is not just a motorcycle. It's a statement, a celebration of history, and a reminder that true legends never die. And once you hear that two-stroke scream again, you'll understand exactly why this bike was worth the wait.